Like most Americans, I'm on the go, and I don't have time to sit around and wait on my mail all day. Between weekly meal deliveries and packages to sign for, I just can't be everywhere at once, which leaves mail exposed to harsh weather and theft. There has to be a better way. And now there is. Welcome to AirBox Deep, a modern mailbox made for how the world works today. AirBox Deep utilizes the latest in encrypted technology, which means I enjoy touchless delivery without ever making contact with the courier or the box. Delivery service providers receive one-time use codes via an encrypted app that allows them to securely drop my package with ease. I'm no longer worried about missing a delivery thanks to this app-controlled, industrial-grade, web-connected smart mailbox. And for my grocery or food deliveries, AirBox Deep provides insulation, protecting against heat, cold, wind, or rain. And with medication deliveries I get from my doctor, I always know my family will get what they need, securely and on time the first delivery attempt. Because the world has new challenges for our mail, and for us too, as everyone moves to safer and more efficient ways to receive and protect our mail. Innovation is more important than ever, not just for today, but for the future. That's why AirBox Deep is not only weatherproof and smart lockable, but compatible with drone delivery too. So join us at the edge of tomorrow. Made in the USA, we're ready to fulfill orders and finish product. All that's missing is you. Invest today in AirBox, the smart mailbox maker.